Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through is Roblox down right now. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you open up the Roblox app and it's not working, it's not loading properly, potentially Roblox and their servers are down. I'll walk you through a couple different options in terms of checking to see if it's down and what you can do to get Roblox working again. So let's hop out of here and open up Safari or Google Chrome. And I'm going to type in status.roblox.com. So you can see at the bottom here, status.roblox.com. And this will take you directly to the Roblox server status page. And you can see at the very top, it says all systems are operational. So if you go through here and it says that something is down, then this is an indication that servers are down, there's having some kind of issue and they're working to fix it. But if it says everything is operational, the next thing that you can do is let's go back to Google and type in, is Roblox down? Because we'll go to this down detector, this very first option. Sometimes Roblox will say that their servers are working, but their servers could have a glitch in it, causing it to have a lot of down reports. So I can scroll down, and if you see a huge spike in reported outages for Roblox, that's a good indication that their servers are having some kind of issue, or there was some random update that caused some kind of bug or issue within the Roblox app itself. Now, if Roblox isn't working, we can go through a step to remove any of those bugs. And to do that, we'll hop out of here and we'll open up our settings. And I'll go back here. And at the bottom here, you can see General. I'll tap on General. And then midway down, iPhone storage, I'll tap on that. And this is where we're going to try to find Roblox on this list. There it is. And we will offload and then reinstall this app. And what this does is it resets and force updates the Roblox app. And if there are any kind of bugs in here, then it will kind of get rid of all those bugs and install a fresh new version of Roblox. So if the servers aren't necessarily down, then we can go through this step. And then once it's done installing, we can open it up and it should load properly and you shouldn't have any issues with the app and playing on Roblox. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.